There are an estimated 125 billion galaxies in the universe. And out of all those galaxies, we reside in the Milky Way. Tall buildings, computers, AI, medicines, we humans have created so much. But despite all this, we still know very little about space. Yet what we do know is enough to shock you. The diamond planet. Did you know there's a whole planet made of diamonds? Scientists call it Super-Earth 55 Cancri e. It's so close to its star that the surface temperature reaches 2,700 degrees Celsius. Scientists believe the planet's core is made of carbon, and due to the intense heat, this carbon likely exists in the form of diamond and graphite. Milky Way Andromeda collision. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course with its closest neighbor, Andromeda, located 2.5 million light-years away. When they collide, stars will scatter, and many planets might not survive. But the surprising part? Scientists believe Earth's position is so favorable that it might survive the impact. Earth's sister, Venus. 2 billion years ago, Venus looked like Earth, with oceans and dry land. Now Venus has a suffocating atmosphere of CO2, almost no water vapor, and surface temperatures reaching 462 degrees Celsius. Could Earth follow the same fate in the future? A cloud-containing alcohol scientist discovered a molecular cloud, Sagittarius B2, containing 2 octillion gallons of alcohol. It's made up of ethanol, vinyl alcohol, and methanol. Scientists even believe it might taste like raspberry rum, an exoplanet that rains glass. There's a bright blue exoplanet where it rains molten glass. The planet's atmosphere contains silicate particles, and winds blow at 8,700 kilometers per hour, causing sideways glass rain. Footprints on the moon. The moon has no atmosphere, so there's no air or water to erase marks. The Apollo astronauts' footprints and rover tracks could remain intact for 100 million years. Water that floats in space 12 billion light-years away, scientists discovered a massive water vapor cloud. It contains 140 trillion times more water than Earth's oceans, making it the oldest and largest water source ever found. The homeless black hole. A supermassive black hole is speeding through space at 5 million miles per hour. It was ejected from its home galaxy, 3C186. At this speed, it could drift freely through space in 20 million years. Will our universe disappear? According to quantum mechanics, the universe may one day vanish due to a theory called vacuum decay. If the universe exists in a false vacuum, a quantum fluctuation could collapse it instantly, so fast that we wouldn't even realize it. Cold welding. In space at minus 270 degrees Celsius, 2 metals can fuse without heat. If you rub 2 metals together, the oxide layer disappears, allowing electrons to pass between them, causing them to fuse. Space is full of mysteries, and this is just the beginning. Thanks for watching the video on Mythical Realm. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.